Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, we have Rod Wave back with a new song for the latest album, Last Lap. Okay, this song is called The Best. So, he's the best, B-E-S-T. Do you think so? Many do. So, let's go into this one, and we want to learn it. We have only 3 chords in this song, and it's very simple. No need for capo, so let's dive right into the chords. We're gonna play the A minor, G, and F, all right? So let's start with A minor first. That will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is G, and that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord will be F. There we have the bar chord. You're gonna play the index finger on the first fret where you cover all strings, and then you need to add third fret on A string, third on D, and second on G. All right, so the chord progression will be A minor, G, F, and back to G. And that's one round. I'm gonna play like this over and over and over. Okay, so let's play it like this. Alright, that is one round. So you're gonna start with A minor. It's just down, clap. That's it. Then you shift to G and play down. A longer pause and then clap. And then you shift to F and play down, clap, down. And then you shift to G and play just one down. And after that G, you immediately go back to the new round A minor and start to play that one. So 2 rounds just for you to understand how it goes. Over to the second round, it goes like this. That's it. Very, very easy, guys. So good luck with this one. The best from Rod Waves. And this is Gordon Guitar signing out. Till next time, play tuned.